When you search for home weather stations, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Newinter Weather Station. The Newinter Weather Station caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features, all for just $33.99. With over 20,700 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating. This is worth a serious look if you want a reliable way to keep track of your indoor and outdoor weather conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The large color LCD display shows not just temperature and humidity, but also barometric pressure, weather forecasts, and even moon phases. You can customize alerts for temperature changes, ensuring you're always prepared. Plus, it can connect with up to 3 remote sensors, so you can monitor multiple areas of your home or garden easily. Now, some people complain about the battery life when using it unplugged. Here's the thing though. As long as you use it while plugged in or don't mind changing batteries every so often, you'll be fine. It's not a deal breaker for most, especially with all the features it offers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and efficient weather station that gives you essential data at a glance. Skip this one if you need more advanced features or multiple sensor readings, but overall, it's a great value for the price. Product number 2, ACU Right Wireless Weather Station. Next up is the ACU Right Wireless Home Weather Station, priced at $34.99. With a solid 4.3-star rating from over 6,000 reviews, this product piqued my interest due to its straightforward setup and ease of use. Why does this matter for you? The ACU Right provides real-time weather updates with a clear indoor and outdoor thermometer. It can forecast the weather for the next 12 hours, which is super handy for planning your day or outdoor activities. Plus, the illuminated LCD screen adjusts for daylight, saving time, making it a great choice for those who want a simple yet effective solution. However, some users noted that the outdoor sensor could lose signal intermittently. I'll be real with you. While it can be frustrating, it usually represents a minor inconvenience unless you're in an area with lots of interference. If you're looking for something that's easy to use and doesn't break the bank, it's still worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss weather station that gives you reliable data without getting complicated. Skip this if you need advanced features like wind speed monitoring, but for the price, it's a solid pick. Product number 3, ACU Right Iris 5-in-1 Weather Station. Now, if the ACU Right wireless signal issues bothered you, the ACU Right Iris 5-in-1 might be a better fit at $119.99. With a 4.1-star rating from about 2,900 reviews, it offers more features for serious weather enthusiasts. Why should you consider this? The Iris collects data on temperature, humidity, wind speed and direction, and rainfall, delivering comprehensive weather insights directly to your home. It connects to Wi-Fi and works with Weather Underground, letting you share your findings with a community of weather watchers. Plus, it includes over 25 data points, giving you a detailed look at current conditions and trends. But here's the downside. Some users mentioned that the setup could be a bit tricky. It requires a bit more technical know-how, which could be daunting if you're not tech-savvy. However, if you're keen on accuracy and detail, it's worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're a weather enthusiast looking for a deeper understanding of your local conditions. Skip this if you just want the basics, but if you want to be the neighborhood weather expert, this is your go-to. Product number 4, ACU Right Iris Wireless Weather Station. Next, we have the ACU Right Iris Wireless Weather Station priced at $129. With an impressive 4.4-star rating from 2,500 reviews, it caught my attention for its advanced features and robust data collection. What makes this one special? It provides real-time readings for temperature, humidity, wind speed, and even lightning detection. The display is bright and easy to read, with alerts for changes in weather conditions. This means you can anticipate storms, track lightning strikes, and understand your environment better. Perfect for those who live in unpredictable weather areas. Now, some reviewers did mention that the lightning detection feature wasn't as reliable as they hoped. Here's the thing, though. Unless you live in an area prone to thunderstorms, this may not affect your experience at all. You still get a comprehensive weather overview. This is perfect for you if you're someone who enjoys detailed weather insights and doesn't mind spending a little more for premium features. Skip this if you're looking for a basic weather station, but it's a fantastic choice for weather buffs. Product number 5. SaneLogic Smart Wi-Fi Weather Station. Finally, we have the SaneLogic Smart Wi-Fi Weather Station at $123.49. With a rating of 4.2 stars from about 1,000 reviews, I was intrigued by its modern features and user-friendly interface. Why should you consider this? The SaneLogic connects to your Wi-Fi and allows real-time monitoring through the WeatherSeat app. You can receive alerts about temperature and humidity changes right on your smartphone. Plus, it boasts a clear display that's easy to read, even for those with vision challenges. This is ideal if you want to keep tabs on your garden or outdoor activities. However, some users reported that the app can be slow to update. While that's definitely something to consider, I think the convenience of having weather data accessible from your phone outweighs this minor flaw. This is perfect for you if you want a modern, connected weather station that's easy to read and use. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional setup, but it's a solid choice for tech-savvy users. To wrap it up, the Newinter and ACURite Wireless are great for anyone looking for budget-friendly options. For those wanting more features, the ACURite Iris 5-in-1 and wireless models offer advanced data collection. Lastly, the SaneLogic stands out for its smart features. No matter your needs, there's a weather station on this list for you.